Okay, we got a package from the Castel Dracula. Inside this is things. It's a huge package for the small things. This is the prices and the items. That's for car. Okay, let's see. All is good. Packaging is safe. It's good. Okay, let's see inside. So we find the weak point is from the top. You see inside. They protected so good. Yeah. Wow. Okay, so hard to open. So let's continue open on the other side. This one. Okay, this is the items. Wow. As you can see, this is a car camera and magnets in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it's the magnet. Magnet rather 10 in here. The magnet is strong enough. There's separated things like that. And let's see the diameters. Diameters is 2.5. It's good. Exactly. And the thickness is 0.5. Okay, because we buy things neodymium 25 x 5 millimeters, and that's why. And next, let's check the power of this magnet. We'll use a coin, 1,000 rupiah. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 coins is handled safely. Oh, 5. The 5 coin is not yet. This why I do this, because I don't have a gauge meter. Gauge meter is for check how long the magnetism effect. Yeah, coin number 5 cannot be responded. This is the maximum range of coins. Okay, enough playing. And bring back to here. Be careful. Yeah. Ooh. Amazing. And next, this is a camera for your car. Reverse camera. I doesn't know how to check these things. if it works or not. This is a manual people. Wait. Let me clean this first. This cable. It's like a power cable, I think. Screw. This is a power cable. Power. I think this is the power from the car. And this is cable is using for the input cable from the behind. And let's see the camera. Whoa, look at that. Look at the camera. This is forward camera. QC8 piece. Month February and June 2024. You use this inside the car. It's the inputting devices. Like the yellow cable is hit here, and the red cable is maybe in here, I think. Oh yes, this is for the red cable. This is must be get some power from the power source, from your reverse lamp. This is for car, okay? For the reverse lamp, this is power input, and this is the output of video going to the front of your head units. The camera looks big. This is a lamp for shining like that. This manual book. Manual is like this, only like this. They said about the sensing area, effective pixel, big enough, TV system, image sensor, minimum illumination, video output, waterproof, IP68. Wow. And operating temperatures, safety enough for the car who park in open area. And this is all things we buy. Magnets and rear view camera. Thank you for watching.